Hey everyone, I have to make this quick because they're watching and they're going to be here soon. So just real quick, this next Friday, first Friday in July, July 7th, after the holiday weekend, we're going to meet to talk about our AI overlords. So there's a lot of myths going around in the media. There's a lot of stuff going on with the AI overlords, and this is your chance to know what they're up to. We're going to talk about the myths. We're going to talk about some of the fears and that people have about artificial intelligence and the technology that's coming down the pike. But more importantly, we're gonna practice. So if you've wondered what AI is all about, we're going to actually get in and dive in and use some of the tools. So the book is The Business Case for AI, and we're going to go through that really quickly. But don't tell them. We're going to hold on. Okay, I think the coast is clear. Don't tell them, but we're going to actually use some AI. We're going to be polite because we don't want our future overlords to, oh wait, no, they're coming. Okay, I got to go. I'll see you Friday morning at Wittig's at 8 o'clock, but be there. Oh, I got to go.